Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Gold Mist Metallic 2011 Buick Enclave CX, stock number 18M68A. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights and there's a beautiful chrome grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Michelin tire. And coming to the inside, you have a gray cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for two in the front row, and you have seating for two in the second row. On the back of the center console, you have your climate controls. And then coming to the third row, might be a little hard to see back here, but you've got seating for three, making this a 7-passenger Enclave. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You've got backup sensors on the bumper as well as a backup camera. There is a power lift gate, so it's as easy as to push one button to get that trunk open and closed. As you can see, it is very clean. Both the second row and the third row seating do fold down to give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Buick today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. To the interior, on the left side of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Above the rearview mirror, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons. This is equipped with OnStar, and the rearview mirror here is also where your backup camera displays. Coming down to the center, there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You do have an auxiliary port. Underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 3.6-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Enclave or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.